Yes, student, good morning to all. In this video, I will explain about the error, and in this error, types of error, this is the third, that is error of product. In previous video, we have studied about the error of sum and error of difference. ठीक है? So error of sum और difference के बाद में आता है error of product. Error, new topic, error of product, product or multiplied like that. Same A standard measurement and B standard measurement. These are two measurements which are in standard, means scientific, but with their error, A becomes plus minus delta A and B becomes plus minus delta B. Means delta A is the error or absolute error in A में delta A error है, B में delta B error है. Clear? Next, for product Z equal to A dot B in sum or in difference. We have explained that Z equal to A plus B and Z equal to A minus B, but in that Z equal to A dot B. But Z with error, equation number 1. This is the equation. A, that is A plus minus delta A into B plus minus delta B, and it is equal to Z plus minus delta Z. Clear? Equal to, now mathematical operation. In mathematical operation, initially A multiplied with the complete bracket, that is A multiplied with B, AB, A multiplied with delta B, that is plus minus A delta B. Okay? Next, multiply by delta A, that is plus minus B delta A plus minus delta A delta B. Check it again. Explain the product of whole A delta A and B delta B. Clear? A multiplied whole bracket, B delta A multiplied whole bracket. Dear students, in previous video we have delta A equal to 0.1 value and delta B equal to 0.2 value, means both are decimal value. If both are decimal value and both are multiplied, then they are resultant. Means if they are in multiplication, then they are resultant 0.02. After the decimal, 2 digits. Up to the 2 digits, so it is so small. 0.1 is greater than the 0.02. 0.2 is also greater. Is it clear? So the product of delta A delta B is small, up to the digit of 0.02. We can neglect it or consider as 0. What? Consider as 0 or negligible. So delta Z plus minus delta Z equal to AB equal to Z. Then Z plus minus A delta B plus minus B delta A plus minus B delta A, equation number 2. Now in next divide by Z on both sides. Divide by Z on both sides. So divide that. How? I want to divide here. Z upon Z, delta Z over Z. Clear? Z over Z, clear? A delta B over also Z, B delta A over also Z, means all are divided by Z here. Clear? So Z over Z, write it here, 1 plus minus delta Z over Z. Am I right? Delta Z over Z. Clear? Equal to Z over Z, again 1 plus minus delta, sorry, A delta B. Initially, A delta B over Z plus minus B delta A over Z. Here, so all are in the term of Z. Now I want to change some value. How change? Z is also in the term of A dot B. A into B. So we can write here AB. We can write here AB. Why? Because it is the term of AB, term of BA. That's why at the place of Z here, 1 cancel. One step is over. Plus minus delta Z over Z equal to, yes sir, A delta B over AB, because the value of Z is equal to AB from here. Plus minus, it is also plus minus B delta A over AB. Clear? So A cancel, B cancel. Clear? Now start again. Remaining term delta Z over Z equal to delta B over B. It is plus minus delta A over A. Clear? It is the same. And dear student, we have studied in the last week video. It was of absolute error. Absolute error. Delta A mean over A mean. Delta A over A. Delta A over A. Delta B over B. Delta Z over Z. It is the relative error. How? It is the relative error. So, how we will explain the sum of relative error of two two physical quantities are equal to total error of physical quantity. Clear? I think it was clear. फिर से I want to repeat it. Two observation, A standard observation, B standard, but A with error, A plus minus delta A. It reminds one thing, beta, plus or minus both error are possible. That's why we are taking here plus minus. B plus minus. Is it clear? For the product to product का formula Z equal to A dot B. Equation first. Now substitute the value of A plus minus delta A, B plus minus delta B. Then the resultant must be Z plus minus delta Z. Clear? Because it is the product. Now open the bracket by mathematical term. A multiply to all these two. Delta A multiply with all these. Clear? But the product of delta A, delta B, it is negligible, because the product of these decimal quantities always less than the quantity. Without decimal 2 3 जा 6. Without decimal 2 3 जा 6. यानी 2 और 3 दोनों से ज्यादा होता है without decimal. But with decimal 0.2 into 0.3. Now multiply, then it will be 0.06. So it is a much less value. That's why we can consider as negligible. So remaining term Z over Z, delta Z, Z delta Z, sorry, A delta B. Why? Z delta Z is remain same. A into B, that is AB. AB equal to Z. A delta B as it is, B delta A as it is. Clear? Now divide by z on both sides means z over z, delta z over z, z over z, a delta b over z, b delta a over z. जो similar term है z over z means 1. It is also z over z means 1. So 1 1 these are cancelled. Remaining delta z over z, a delta b over z, b delta a over z. Clear? Z remains. This z can replace by ab. Why ab? Because it is a term of a and b. That's why we can write it here ab. We can write it here ab. B cancel, a cancel. Clear? So remaining term will be. So it is the product, error of product. Error of product. Now I want to explain the term of continue. That is the error of division. Of second term of it, error of division. Error of division. These term remains same. There is no change in that. It is the next part of this. इसी का अगला part. That is z equal to a over b. For plus a plus b. For difference a minus b. For product a dot b. Now here a upon b. Simple. Equation number 1 of this topic. But with error it means z plus minus delta z equal to a. A plus minus delta a divided by delta b plus minus delta b. Simple. Same pattern will be here. Clear? Next, z plus minus delta z equal to a take common from here. Now mathematics means a common. Very sorry. A take common, then remaining. Common means divide the complete factor by common value. कॉमन लेने का मतलब होता है कि इस फैक्टर को हमने जिसको कॉमन लिया उससे डिवाइड कर दें. देन a कॉमन मींस a अपॉन a हियर क्या आएगा बेटा 1. सॉरी बेटा, you will confuse here. I want to write it here. Again I will take it here. A take common बेटा. A take common and remaining 1 plus minus delta a over a. I want to check it. Is it clear or not? Yes. Sure. Okay. We should write it here. Yes. Z plus minus delta z equal to a take common, then 1 plus delta a over a upon b take common from here. B take common, then it will be 1 plus minus delta b over b. Because in every step or every term we consider z equal to a over b. Then in the process again we want to make it a over b. Now here a dot b. So everywhere a over b. A over b. It will be z. Remaining term 1 plus minus delta a over a. See it here. 1 delta a over a power 1. 1 is always silent. 1 plus minus delta b over b, it is also power 1. I want to change it, means transfer to here. And when we transfer there, then it will be 1 plus minus delta b over b equation. Sorry beta, sorry. It is so little. Okay. Yes. 1 plus minus delta b over b, but power will be minus 1. Clear? complete bracket transfer to there will power -1 and a over b must be equal to z. So I want to separate it like that. Here. Now next step, z plus minus delta z equal to a over b also z. Then remaining term 1 plus minus delta a over a power 1 into it is also 1 plus minus delta b over b minus 1. Clear? How we will explain करेंगे? z over z कट नहीं कर सकते हैं. What? Divide by z on both sides again. Equation number 2. Divide by z on both sides. So z over z, z over z. Here in complete factor divide by z. Then what will be changed? Z over z. It is 1 plus minus delta z over z remains same. Delta z over z equal to z over z again 1. Clear? Remaining 1 plus minus delta a over a. 1 times again 1 plus minus delta b over b minus 1. Clear? Okay. Equation number 3. Now the problem is here. This is the power plus 1. This is the power minus 1. Then how we will multiply it? How we will solve it? Okay. So for the solution of this, since 1 plus minus delta b over b power minus 1 equal to 1 plus minus delta b over b. सोचेंगे कैसे हो गया सर? ये माइनस की पावर यहां देंगे तो इसको एक बार लिखता हूं माइनस प्लस. I want to explain it here. If your vision is above, yes, above is that means here. Dear student, one formula is here. 1 plus x power n. 1 delta b over b x minus 1 n power. Clear? This is the binomial theorem. What? Binomial theorem. So how we will expand that? कैसे फैलाते हैं? कैसे फॉर्मूले को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं? It will be later, but I want to explain this. This is equal to 1 plus nx means 1 as it is plus n power multiply by power. If power is 5, then it will be 5. Power is 2, then it will be also 2. N into same value. Clear? Plus n into n minus 1 over 2 into 1 into x square means again power into minus 1 means power 5 into 4 upon 2 into 1 2 into x square plus and so on. Means if power is up to 3, then it will extend up to x power 3. If power is 2, then it will extend up to 2. If power is 1, then it will extend up to 1 only. Only 1. That's why I am writing here up to 1, because power is minus 1. Power is minus 1. So explain according to that. देखिए 1 1 1 1 का 1 आ गया. Next plus nx, n power is minus 1. Minus 1 is here into x delta b over b. इस x की जगह ये डेल्टा b over b है. पावर यहाँ n की जगह -1 आएगा, इसलिए मैंने -1 लिख दिया. तो प्लस माइनस -1 तो ये क्या हो गया 1 माइनस प्लस माइनस 1 समझ रही है, यानी इसका मतलब क्या हुआ 1 मिनट अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट फैक्टर 1 प्लस पावर हाउ मच इज हियर माइनस 1 इनटू x, x की पावर x क्या है डेल्टा b ओवर b, ये बन गया, ये -1 को इसमें मल्टीप्लाई कैसे बनेगा, सो इट वाज, इसलिए इसको क्या लिखा था बेटा इक्वल टू 1 माइनस प्लस डेल्टा b ओवर b, और 1 प्लस माइनस डेल्टा b ओवर b भी लिख सकते हैं, 1 माइनस प्लस और प्लस माइनस एक ही बात है, सो वी कैन राइट इट हियर, अब यहां क्या लिख सकते हैं ये बताइए, देन अब रिमेनिंग टर्म देखो बेटा 1 एज इट इज 1 प्लस माइनस डेल्टा z ओवर z इक्वल टू 1, इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है, अब ये 1 और ये बचे, यानी लिखा है वो मतलब 1 प्लस माइनस डेल्टा a ओवर a इनटू 1 प्लस माइनस डेल्टा b ओवर b, ये बच जाता है, नाउ मल्टीप्लाई, अब सिंपल है, नो प्रॉब्लम, सो ये if we will require the place then we have, okay, now solve it, equal to 1 multiply to both factor, 1 multiply 1 multiply with delta b plus minus delta b over b, now delta a plus minus delta a over a plus minus delta a over a into delta b over b. Here I want to explain it again. Now here delta a 0.1, delta b 0.2. Clear? There is delta a upon a, delta b upon b. This one. देखिए अब डेल्टा का 0.1 डिवाइड बाई a 10 into 0.2 डिवाइड बाई 15, प्रीवियस वीडियो में 10 और 15 लिया था ना स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यू 10, 0.1 एरर, 0.2 एरर डिवाइड बाई 15, सॉल्व इट अगेन, 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 0.2 डिवाइड बाई 150, am I right? 0.02 product of these divide by 150, it is so small that इससे भी छोटा हो गया, तो ये लिया था ना 0.02, ये 0.02 also divide by one factor, means delta a over a delta b over b, it is so small, मतलब ये जो प्रोडक्ट लिया था तो इससे भी छोटा है, इस प्रोडक्ट से भी ये तो छोटा आएगा, so we can again consider as 0, it is so small, मैंने वो बता दिया क्यों होता है, equal to 1 plus minus delta b over b plus minus delta a over a, और ये 1 plus minus delta z over z, 1 cancel, if it is cancelled then plus minus delta z over z equal to plus minus delta a over a plus minus delta b over b, it is the common factor as product, जैसा प्रोडक्ट में था वैसा ही डिवीजन में या क्विटेंट में होगा, clear? So it is the major and large topic and we have discussed, so if you want to take one screenshot you can take, complete topic is on the screen, full topic आपकी screen पर है, you can take that, okay? In previous video we have discussed about the, what is about there, there was, it was error of sum and difference, now it is the error of product and डिवीजन, ओके बेटा, तो पूरे वीडियो को देख लीजिए, लाइक कर दीजिए, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में लेंगे एरर ऑफ पावर, क्लियर? तब तक के लिए गुड नाइट, थैंक यू।